Okay, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to aku punya YouTube channel. Okay, hari ni kita ada special event iaitu Nobody World. Nobody World ni adalah brand baru yang akan di-launching oleh Pak Din Nasty. Kiranya dah bukan Pak Din seorang lah, daripada geng-geng Nasty. Ini adalah brand perfume Nobody. Ni event launching yang kita nak pergi ni sebenarnya. Aku dah lambat tau sebenarnya tau. Serius, dah lambat lah. Tapi tak apa, it's okay. Kita try je, pergi je. Tak sabar sebenarnya nak tengok. Dia patutnya nak start dah ni 3.30. But it's okay lah. Jom, let's go.
Nobody ya?
Nobody.
Okey, ada scan QR boleh?
Ada. QR
Box office punya signboard merah.
QR
QR kat
belum. QR kat atas.
Betul.
Okay.
Belok kiri.
Okay.
Ada lift tau. Naik tingkat 1 register dulu.
Oh, okay. Terima kasih. Naik aku 3.30 tepat tu. Orang nak start teater dah. Nobody. So, aku tak tahu produk dia macam mana, tak pernah tengok lagi. Inilah kita nak tengok. Dia ada debaran dia tau. Rasa dia punya aura dia. Okay, jom. Register sini Okay. Oh, scan.
Boleh ambil register juga kamu kedua.
Okay. Pik. Sihat Okay, so kita dah ada dalam event Nobody.
Ladies and gentlemen, something that involves your senses, your sense of sight, your sense of smell. So please get into it, be involved, and please be reminded to
Kita tengok apa yang Nobody ni nak buat.
Nobody is nobody. I'm a living proof. Sama juga macam kawan-kawan saya yang lain yang terlibat dalam membangunkan Nasty from nothing into a global brand. Kita orang sama-sama buktikan that nobody is nobody. We came from nowhere. Muda, tak ada pengalaman, tak ada kabel, tak ada investor. Dalam industri yang dikuasai oleh big guy, big shark. But all we had was a crazy dream. Tapi apa yang saya percaya dan pegang, walau dari mana kita bermula, ia tak menentukan berapa jauh kita boleh pergi. Dan saya lihat ramai yang lain, family, kawan-kawan, all of you, even clients, membuktikan benda yang sama over and over again. The only person who can limit how far you can go is you. So when I say nobody is nobody, ini bukan slogan kosong. Ini asas kepada my personal story and journey. And I think it's the same with you guys. That's why you are here. And thank you for coming. Welcome to Nobody World. Apa benda Nobody ni? Let me tell you a story. Nasty sekarang dah lebih 10 tahun. Bukan senang untuk mana-mana startup ataupun bisnes bertahan. Apatah lagi untuk go beyond Malaysia and disrupt a multi-billion dollar global industry. But for us, we keep adapting. We prepare for the unexpected. We sacrifice. Kita tak pernah berhenti belajar. Either nak grow ataupun nak survive. Sebut je apa. Semua kita orang buat. Tapi ada satu kunci. Kunci utama kejayaan Nasty. You want to know what?
Yes.
It's purpose. Sebagai sebuah organisasi, Nasty ada clear purpose. From day one sampai sekarang. The purpose, what keep Nasty moving forward. Dan saya percaya, untuk nobody jadi something more than just a product, it must start with purpose. And inilah inspirasi di sebalik Nobody. This is why brand ni wujud. Nobody is a platform. Bukan nak jual semata-mata guys, but to carry this story and perspective to bigger and much wider audience. Nobody meraihkan idea that nobody is nobody. We don't give you aspiration of being somebody else. The purpose of this brand is to inspire people, to open their eyes, to recognize what is already inside them. Ada construction tu belakang. So we have this new brand. Kita ada satu jenama yang baru yang seorang pun tak tahu apa benda. And we have the purpose that we believe in. Now what? Cerita Nobody ni, dia bermula dengan Nobody. Kita berkumpul hari ni untuk melancarkan Nobody through a collection of a fragrance. But soalan dia, kenapa fragrance? Jujur saya kata, apart from faith and love, I can't think of a choice that is more personal or powerful. Let's think about what a fragrance actually is. Bau-bauan ni is invisible, tak nampak. Kita tak boleh pegang bau. Tapi dalam sekelip mata, ia boleh membawa kita merentasi ruang dan waktu. Contoh, bau kereta ayah kita. When we so young, we take a family ride, we still ingat bau tu. Bau pelukan ibu. The smell of someone you love or you hate. Walaupun berpuluh tahun lalu, it will brings you back. It makes you feel something genuine and true. That is the power of fragrance. Banyak pilihan dalam hidup kita ni sebenarnya terbatas. Setuju? Kekangan, keadaan, external context. Tapi dengan fragrance, actually, ia adalah pilihan tanpa batasan.
Experience is about to begin. The following instructions are important, so please listen carefully. Before we begin, let me share some terms we will use in this experience session. SPL, Fragrance Performance Measurement. SPL is how fragrance performance is evaluated: sillage, projection, and longevity. Sillage. This, the invisible scent trail left behind in the air after you walk by or leave a room. High sillage means your presence lingers long after you have departed. Projection. This is how far the scent radiates outwards from your body. Strong projection fills a whole room, while intimate projection stays close to your skin. Longevity. This is the staying power of the perfume. It is an estimation of how many hours the scent remains detectable on your skin or clothing. Longevity varies based on many factors. Among them are skin type, skin hydration, body temperature, climate and weather, application method, and storage conditions. Now, let's take a look at the journey of a fragrance throughout the day. Fragrance performance during daily usage. First hour after application is called the opening. This is when projection is at its peak. Top notes are rapidly evaporating, pushing the scent outward. Between 3 to 6 hours after application is called the heart. By this point, the fragrance has settled. Projection decreases and sillage becomes more prominent as heavier mid-notes catch the air when you move. And beyond 6 hours of usage is called the dry down. The scent has now dropped to a skin scent. Projection is intimate, and sillage is minimal, sustained only by dense bass notes.
Okay, kita try Boleh? Are you guys ready?
Ready.
This is the moment of truth. Okay, semua buat macam ni. Semua fokus Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce Nobody Volume 1. Guys, this is volume 1. InsyaAllah ada rezeki kita akan bertemu dekat volume 2. And thank you so much for being here today. Big applause to the team, guys, please. Assalamualaikum.
Okay, so kita dah settle kita punya present tadi dekat dalam theater. So now kita pun dah grab kita tak dapat free tau. Kita tak dapat free, kita beli. Okay, so ada 6 jenis bau 6 jenis bau. Tapi antara favourite aku ni lah Destino Oscura, Kismet dan juga Carte Blanc. Okay, mari sini aku explain kat korang. Okay, so ini dia punya packaging. Lain macam bro. Dia punya botol dia lagi aku suka. Dia macam, tahu tak, macam botol Angel Share on the Rock. Ini dia, Angel Share on the Rock. Hari ni aku pakai Angel Share. Dia ada pecahan sepihan dekat situ. So kita punya event Nobody sudah settle. Yang ni kita dapat kit untuk yang free ni lah, merchandise Nobody object. Yang ni belilah, kita tak dapat PR, kita tak dapat yang free, kita beli, no problem. Okay, so itulah dia yang aku boleh tunjuk serba sedikit. Bagi aku memang antara selama setahun setengah aku jadi fragrance reviewer dan merangkap jadi sebagai brand owner, ini event tergempak yang aku pernah datang. Launching macam Apple punya style tau. Macam Apple, kau tahu brand Apple iPhone tu, launching produk macam tu. Congratulations to Nobody, Nasty, Pak Din dan juga all the team. Nobody boleh fly jauh, globalnya. Itu saja for YouTube content kali ni. Korang jangan lupa subscribe dan share. Ciao.